Hey, Miss Nosebleed here, your English teacher. What can we learn today? Hello, do you know the difference between flyer and flyer? Let's explore that today. Let's go. So the first word is spelled as F-L-I-E-R. Flyer is a noun. It means a person or thing that flies. Very easy. Example, Rommel hates traveling abroad because he's a nervous flyer. So Rommel is described as a flyer, right? Okay, good. Now let's look at the other one. Now this flyer is spelled as F-L-Y-E-R. It's also a noun. However, it means a sheet of paper advertising a product or event, usually handed out to people. For example, make sure to distribute the flyers to all who walk by our restaurant. Okay? So I'm pretty sure you have seen what flyers look like. It's like a promo kind of paper. All right? Okay, very good. Now you know. To practice, use both words in your own sentences. Type your sentences in the comment section. I will check and give you feedback. This is an excellent way to practice using the two words we learned today. I look forward to your comments. I'm here to help you. Thanks, guys. That's it. Short and sweet. You know what to do. Got any questions? I'll see what I can do. See you next time.